I grew up with an appreciation for natural health products, and my mother was an author. She wrote a dozen or so books that have sold millions of copies throughout the years about health and natural health. So it wasn't a huge leap to begin studying and researching for myself products that might be helpful, ingredients that could be helpful. I was always looking for something better, something unique. I was researching in the libraries, on the internet, really any way that I could. I came across transfer factors, papers that had been written about transfer factors, and a patent that had been filed at the US Patent Office. So transfer factors are small molecules that we all have, humans, all animals. It's the way the mother communicates immune wisdom to her offspring. And when I read that patent and realized who the owners were, I contacted them. I knew that we had something different and unique, and I knew that we had to take it to the world. Chickens and cows have such heroic immune systems. If we can borrow that immune knowledge and use it in our own bodies, our own lives, it can really make a difference. We had to figure out a way to get it from cow colostrum to a way that could be consumed by us. We found a way to dry this portion of the colostrum in a way that could be encapsulated. My family, we were the first test market. We had the product encapsulated. We began taking the product immediately. We were the first ones to do so. We started sharing the product with our family, with our friends, and just one person at a time. We began talking to people. And now we have offices in multiple countries, dozens of countries throughout the world, reaching hundreds of thousands of people who are using transfer factor on a daily basis. I made the commitment early on that we would never put a product out that didn't have scientific research. The manufacturing process is very important. The collecting process is extremely important. Where we take excess colostrum. That first colostrum is given to the calf. We only take excess colostrum, and there is plenty of it. And then that's processed very carefully. All of our dairy farms that we partner with are USDA approved, grade A quality, so that we have only the highest quality and highest sanitation and the very best products possible. It really is quite remarkable. In the beginning, we didn't really know where this would take us. We knew we had a wonderful product, but to see what's happened, the hundreds of thousands of people who are using this product, it's very humbling. And to hear the stories of people who use the product is very inspirational to us.
Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. And welcome again to Sunday's Best. So, I believe marami po na-confuse doon sa post ko kagabi, no? Kasi magkasunod po na poster yon. Um, by the way, I would like to take this opportunity also to plug the upcoming Tuesday presentation as well. So again, we are now live on Sunday's Best. This is a weekly product presentation for everyone. But we also have this what we call Cancer Factor Tuesdays. So which will begin actually in on Tuesday. So wait lang, i-share ko lang yung poster no event upcoming. So here it is. Yan. So for those who are watching on your phones, and you can clearly see, uh, the photo, the poster of the upcoming event. So again, on top of the Sunday's Best, which is a product presentation, we will also launch that Transfer Factor Tuesday. So that is, in short, the in-depth product presentation na in lab po kayo dyan, I'm sure, for many, many years in the past. But since the pandemic, and of course with the restrictions of the old uh, dun sa old location po natin. So we weren't able to maximize the post-pandemic gatherings, no. But now, since we transferred na po sa ating new office, and almost daily po ngayon yung presentations dito, now we will also commence, no, with the G12's weekly product presentation na in-depth. Okay? And we will I will be, kumbaga, anchoring this event, but of course, joining with me is Tessa Nicolay, and of course Sir Eugene Baidal. Hindi na po naihabol sa poster kasi nalaman ko lang kagabi that he was requested to join us dito po sa TFT, kumbaga. And of course, since this is a pilot episode, we will also be seeing Dr. Catherine Mendoza to give some opening message dito po sa ating event. No, before we begin, we will have a few words from our beloved gold, Dr. Catherine Mendoza. Okay? So, I hope masuportahan niyo po yan, and of course, makapunta po kayo in person. Kasi kung na-enjoy niyo po yung Sunday's Best, it's actually a 30-minute presentation most of the time. But this one, we will talk more deeper about cancer factors and ano po yung bagay sa inyo. And syempre, pinakamasaya pa din dyan yung Q&A, and of course, yung ating live testimonials. So I'm really excited. Kinakabahan din po ako at the same time. Kasi ngayon lang po ako magkakaroon ng gathering ulit na ganito kalaki. Okay, so anyway, welcome to our Sunday's Best. And we will be starting in a bit. Okay, and for those who are new, okay, let me introduce myself once again. Okay, your speaker for today is, of course, wala pong kamatayan. Okay, this is me, your host, John Abadiana. I am a full-time For Life affiliate for 12 years na po. And I'm doing this together with my mother. Her name is Cynthia Aureliana. And she's the current top 1 affiliate of For Life Philippines. And of course, the first female gold dito po sa ating market, sa ating bansa rather. And meanwhile, ako naman po is also a top 35 and of course a bronze here in For Life. I'm mostly doing product presentations such as this one, but I'm also doing business talks, depende po sa availability. All right, but of course, I'm be skipping some of these parts since I have been discussing this now almost every week. Okay, but let me introduce myself first. I'm the company, of course, syempre, na gumagawa po ng mga products. Of course, most of you were invited to listen about the products, paano po siya makaka-benefit po sa inyo. And of course, before we get into the details of the product, of course, syempre, we need to look into the company first. This is For Life Research. We are a US-based company na nag-start po sa Utah, USA noong 1998. We are still doing an ongoing research about cancer factor. We manufacture these products, and of course, we do the distribution po nito worldwide. And dito po sa Pilipinas, nag-start na po tayo since 2006. Our new head office is located here at second floor of Rockwell Business Center, Sheridan. here in Mandaluyong City, Greenfield District. And we also have regional offices no, in Baguio, Cebu, and of course, Davao. Okay? And we take pride that we manufacture our own products. Hindi po lahat ng mga supplement company no ay gumagawa po ng sarili nilang produkto. Karamihan nag-import lang po, nag-outsource po sila ng produkto na papagawa sa ibang laboratories. But 4Life has invested a lot of money to ensure that we control no and uphold the highest quality standards sa ating mga produkto na mina-market and of course iniinom din po natin. And this manufacturing facility is for real no because I was able to visit the manufacturing facility po last year October, and you will have your chance next year once you join the US International Convention coming April 2024. So lahat po ng facilities natin no, ay grabe pharmaceutical grade, and wala pong products na ginagawa at that time no kasi nga po dahil open po siya for tours, so hindi po tayo gumagawa no para maiwasan po ang contamination. And the manufacturing facility was built no with expansion in mind. Last year, meron pa siyang malaking area pa yung hindi pa po nagagamit. Meron pa siyang around 1/4, I think, sa facility. But the company recently announced that we had expanded our manufacturing facility kasi nga po we aim no to supply the demand no the growing demand of international customers as well as in the US. Okay, so let's talk about transfer factor. This is not your typical supplement. I know most of you have tried vitamins, minerals, and of course supplements, but transfer factor is on a different category dahil ito po ay molecule no, na napakaliit, mabilis pong makapasok sa ating katawan, diretso po yan sa ating immune system, and napakadami niya pong health benefits. No, na I will discuss also with you later. Okay, hindi na po ito bago sa ating katawan dahil nakukuha po natin ito kapag tayo ay na breastfeed. No? So yung colostrum po na iniinom natin, nililipat po yung nutrients and of course yung protection against sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Next po ay infection. Kapag tayo po ay nagkasakit at gumaling po sa pagkakasakit, no, we will produce the cancer factor. Next, pag tayo po ay nabakunahan. And lastly, kapag tayo po ay umiinom ng mga supplements kagaya po ng 4Life Cancer Factor. And yan po yung ating magiging focus no, dahil dito po tayo nakakategorize. Okay, short history lang po na ating products. It was discovered during the 1940s thanks to Dr. Henry Sherwood Lawrence. Na-prove niya po, na-discover niya na pwede palang mailipat ang immunity from one person to another. Yun nga lang po, hindi siya naging widely available or popular at the time dahil nga po kulang ang source, technology, and of course, mas nauna pong na-discover ang antibiotics na around roughly 20 years ahead. No? Kaya po naging na-overshadow po no, yung development ng transfer factor at naging limited po tayo sa mga clinical studies. Pero okay lang no dahil over the years marami na pong studies ang nagawa. Wala pa pong 4Life. Malaki na rin po ang nagastos for research and development. But the transfer factors that we are taking at the present time, ito po ay galing na sa colostrum and chicken egg yolk. Ito po ating source dahil number one, it's absolutely safe. It's effective, it's compatible, and para po sa mga taong may allergy sa milk and eggs, good news kasi we were able to separate no, yung cancer factor from the rest of the ingredients. Now, come 1998, it was David Lisenby who founded 4Life Research. He put up no, this company and we started marketing cancer factors, and along the way, we bought the existing patent. And we filed numerous patents afterwards. Okay, so dahil po sa kanya, naging available na po for commercial consumption si transfer factor. Now, let's talk about the benefits of transfer factor para po sa ating immune system. Number one, ini-educate niya po ito. So pagpasok po ng transfer factor, nare-release po yan kaagad. And since we are using vegetable capsules, mabilis po ito matunaw. And Once activated, it will be quickly absorbed by the body. It will attach to the immune system cells para po mas maging alert sila na hanapin at aksyonan ang problema sa loob po ng ating katawan. And once successful, the body will then be able to remember the threat. Next is called boosting. So pinaparami din po natin yung mga cells na responsible to fight viruses, bacteria, and even cancer sa loob po ng ating katawan. So, ang mga viruses, bacteria, and cancer ay fast replicating cell. Mabilis po siyang dumami at kumalat. So, it makes sense na dapat palakasin din natin, no? Ganun din yung gawin natin sa ating mga pangdepensa sa katawan. So, it is clinically proven that cancer factor can boost the immune system by up to 283% for our main product and up to 437% for transfer factor plus. Okay? And that translates also to up to 97% na cancer kill rate versus doon sa gamot na tinatawag nating interleukin-2. Okay? And the third function is called balancing po ng immune system. So, ang ating immune system po ay naturally nakadesign na labanan po no, kung ano yung mga mali or masama po sa ating katawan. And of course, to protect naman, no, na hindi po atakihin yung mga good cells or mga kakampi po or part ng ating katawan. So, minsan nagkakaroon po ng confusion, nawawala po yung ability ng immune system mo na yon, nagkakaroon po ng confusion, abnormality, inaatake na po ng immune system ang sarili nating katawan, kaya po tayo nagkakaroon ng mga ganitong klase ng sakit na number one, paulit-ulit, hindi po maintindihan ang cause, wala pong gamot, no? At kung meron mga bigay ang mga doctors, nakokontrol lang po ang sintomas, pero hindi po na-address ang main problem, which is the overactive immune system. So, ang right approach po for this one is to restore the natural ability of our immune system to properly identify the good and the bad. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the three main functions of cancer factor. Number one, to educate the immune system, no, to boost, and of course, to balance the immune system. Now, ang cancer factor po ay hindi po basta-basta, no, pinag-aralan po ito, and in fact, we have our own in-house research and development team composed of doctors from different fields of science. And we also have a growing number of doctors and medical professionals in the Philippines who use the product and they also recommend it to their patients. Okay, these products are multi-patented. Hindi po ito basta-basta nagagaya dahil we have filed around 80 patents in total. We have our approval for use in Russian hospitals according to the Russian Ministry of Health. That happened in 2004. They studied our products and approved po nila maganda. That's why they are recommending it to their doctors that pwede po nilang isabay ito along with the medications they prescribe. Next is PDR. Ito po ay guidebook naman ng mga doctors and medical professionals sa US naman. So they can also use and prescribe our products. And if you're looking for a technical description of cancer factors, dyan nyo po yan makikita sa PDR, Physician's Desk Reference. And lastly, our products are Philippine FDA registered. So wala po kayo dapat ikatakot sa safety and efficacy. Okay, let me walk you through some products of 4Life na available po sa Pilipinas. First is what we call Cancer Factor Trifactor or simply TF Pure. Ito po yung main ingredient po natin. Ito pinag-usapan po natin educate, boost, and balance po ng ating immune system. And kung hindi po kayo sure kung anong health concerns ninyo, this is the best product to start with. Pinaka-safe din po yan sa mga bata, sa buntis, and even for elderly people, kahit po sa mga sensitive cases like allergy, asthma, dermatitis, mataas po ang creatinine, or even dinadialysis, we go with Trifactor. May chewable version din po yan just in case you want an alternative to capsules. Next is Cancer Factor Plus. Kapag matindi po ang sakit, TF Plus po, madalas po natin naririnig sa ating mga affiliates. So ito po yung pinakamalakas o pinakamataas po na boosting capacity. And yan po ay may transfer factor and combination po ng mga mushrooms and other herbal ingredients. And this is really good, no? Especially for infections, viral or bacterial, and even cancer. Examples of infection include dengue, um, tuberculosis, pneumonia, COPD, emphysema, COVID-19, and mga gangrene, may mga sugat wala hindi natutuyo, bed sores, and tumors, no, mga UTI, STDs, etc., no, and the likes. TF plus po ang madalas nating nire-recommend for that. Now, if you are dealing with a severe health case or health issue, madalas yun na rin po maririnig sa ating mga affiliates na may kapartner yung TF Plus na nire-recommend nila. So we have this Riovida, which comes in 3 variants. Ito po ay berries naman ang inclusion and mataas din po ang transfer factor content nito. No? So this product is good for for cancer prevention, for ito, for cleansing of the body, nilalabas po yung toxin sa ating katawan. And para po ito sa cancer prevention and of course for insomnia, for kidney and gallbladder stones, for mood problems, no, irritable and all. If you want to have baby, nakakabuntis po ang Rio Vida. Okay, so sa mga gusto po magkaanak, especially kung si ma'am ang may problema, Rio Vida po isa sa mga nire-recommend nating produkto. For kidney and gallbladder stones din, insomnia, constipation, at marami pa pong iba. Okay, next is glutamine prime. Pag glutamine prime naman po is raw ingredients no, na kailangan ng ating katawan to produce glutathione. And this product po is helps you naman no, with liver cleansing and detoxification, prevention of cancer cell growth and spread, pang-repair po ng damaged cells sa ating katawan. If you have alcoholic liver disease, hepatitis, no, liver cirrhosis, or even liver cancer, isa po ito sa mga most appropriate product that you need to take. And dahil nga po for internal cleansing siya, naturally lalabas po yung glow and better skin complexion po ng inyong balat or even face. Okay? And nakatulong din po ang glutamine prime na yan sa akin before dahil I used to have acne breakouts in the past. Now, next is cardio. This is a product na design para po sa heart, para po sa may mataas ang blood pressure, na may blood clots, mataas ang cholesterol, may palpitation, stroke or paralysis, enlargement of the heart, pamamanhid or tusok-tusok na pakiramdam sa kamay or sa paa, irregular menstruation, PCOS, and iba kahit ano pa pong sakit na related sa cardiovascular or cerebrovascular. Okay, next is Glucoach. This product primarily helps you with sugar balancing. So, hindi lang po ito for type 1 and type 2 diabetes dahil marami pa po klase ng diabetes. Okay, but basically it helps you control your sugar, improve your pancreatic health, and of course, your insulin metabolism. Okay? Hindi po kailangan na mayroon ka pong diabetes for you to take Glucoach. No, kahit wala po kayong sakit, pwede po kayo mag-try ng any of our products. Next is Male Pro. Ito po ay product for male reproductive system. So kung kayo po ay may problem sa prostate, no, enlargement yan or prostate cancer, UTI, hair loss, low sperm count, erectile dysfunction or lack of sexual drive, pwede po ang Male Pro para sa inyo. Okay? Pag si Sir po may problema, usually ang Male Pro may kapartner na glutamine prime. Pag si Ma'am ang may problema at gusto magkaanak, cardio and Riovida po ang best partner. Okay, next is KBU. KBU is good for your kidneys, kidney health, kidney function and filtration, bladder for incontinence, and of course U for urinary tract infection or STDs. Okay, bonus effect ng ating KBU. Maganda po ito for acid reflux, GERD, hyperacidity, and of course, para po sa mataas ang uric acid, KBU, ay bagay po sa inyo. Recall naman is for your brain, nerves, and spinal health. So para po ito sa mga may depression, anxiety, para po sa mga gustong mas tumalino, no, mas makapag-perform na maayos sa trabaho, uh, for numbness, na paralysis, for tremors, no, yung mga seizures and all, para po sa mga may problems din like multiple sclerosis, Bell's palsy or ALS, sa mga may neurodegenerative disorder kagaya po ng Parkinson's disease, dementia, and uh, Alzheimer's. Okay? So recall ang magandang produkto for you. Next is collagen. Ito po product na to ay powdered form, wala po siyang lasa. Pwede mo siyang ihalo with any beverage of your choice. Now this one contains 5,000 milligrams of fish collagen na may transfer factor din po. So this one is good for your nails, for hair, skin, joints, no, eyesight, even for your bones. Maganda rin po ang collagen. Okay? Renuvo is for total body recovery and anti-inflammatory product po yan. Maganda rin para po sa mga taong ang very active ang lifestyle or para po sa mga taong mataas po yung sugar, no? Sugar or fat sa kanilang diet. Okay, Renuvo po ang maganda sa iyo. And next is ProTF. It's a product na may protein galing sa whey and egg white. Meron din po itong added calcium and sodium. And of course, it supports fat burning and lean muscle development. May isang capsule po ng transfer factor dyan per scoop and 10 grams of protein. Meanwhile, sa NutraStart naman, this one is chocolate variant na heavy po sa vitamins and minerals. Tapos, masarap din po, no? So actually, I like it. Ginagawa ko siyang milkshake naman. No? I add a few milk, few scoops of, few ounces of milk, or gusto niyo siya i-blend with vanilla ice cream, no? Masarap po yan. Okay? And next is Energy Go Sticks. Ito pong product na to ay energy booster, no, para po sa clarity din, mental alertness. Kiwi strawberry flavor po ito and wala po itong sugar, pero it will help you, no, stay alert and focus. Minus the sugar crash. Dahil karamihan ng mga what you call this? Sports drink, no, or energy drink sa labas is heavily sugar laden. So na-hyper kayo hindi po dahil sa caffeine content, na-hyper po kayo dahil sa sugar content. Okay, now let's talk about digestive products since 70% po na ating immune system ay nasa tiyan. Okay? So BioEFA is a product, no, fish oil product na maganda po for your heart, for your brain, for your nerves, for your skin, for your joints, and of course for your digestion. Fiber System Plus is a colon cleansing product na may 24 ingredients, herbal, fruit, and vegetable ingredients, no? Non-laxative, hindi po kayo magtatain na parang ilalabas yung bituka niya sa sobrang sakit. Okay? Naka-design po ito for 10-day colon cleansing, but of course, pwede mo rin siyang gawin as your daily, no, fiber supplement. Digestive enzymes ay kailangan naman po natin for food breakdown, para po sa mga taong mahina ang panunaw or para po sa mga taong mahina ang absorption ng sustansya sa pagkain. Kain ng kain, hindi tumataba, digestive enzyme ang kailangan. Prebiotics ay product naman na para sa digestion din natin. May transfer factor po ito, no? May beneficial bacteria. So si prebiotics, maganda po ito sa mga may problems, no, like ulcerative colitis, urticaria, Crohn's disease, halitosis, yung mabaho pong hininga, food poisoning, and even diarrhea or LBM. Okay? So prebiotics po yan. Liver Clear, is for cleansing and detox po na ating liver, herbal blend po yan. Pwede mo siya i-pair with glutamine prime. And of course, aloe vera sticks. No, aloe vera is self-explanatory. It's been used no for many years, even here in the Philippines, na hindi lang po siya ornamental plant. Aloe vera sticks benefits your hair, your nails, your skin, and of course your digestion. Okay, and lastly, our skincare products. We have Inumi body lotion. We also have our Aqua skincare line. Yung ating full set po ng ating skincare contains Ultra Foam Cleanser, Toner, Vitamin Serum, Eye Cream, and of course, Moisture Cream. Followed by Lava Pure, no, yung Volcanic Mud Mask natin, and of course, Royal Bath, which is a sheet mask. Okay, so if you haven't tried no yung ating Aqua skincare now, is the time to do so kasi napakaganda niya po, no. It's really effective. Matagal po siyang maubos and nakikita po kaagad ang resulta unang gamit mo pa lang. Okay. So sir, sa dami po ng kinuwento niyo, maganda tungkol sa product natin. Safe po ba yan? Wala po ba yung overdose? Absolutely, no? Pero may mga tao po na pag first time pong gagamit na ating products, you might experience what we call healing adjustment or detoxification. So it's an action of your body to remove the impurities sa ating pong katawan. Therefore, we are experiencing disease-like symptoms. No? Nawawala din po yun, yung mga sakit ng ulo, yung pagkatae, ihi ng ihi, nagpapawis ka. Nawawala din po yun after a few days. Para naman po sa matitindi ang nararamdaman, no, you need rest, and of course, you need to increase your water intake, or kung unbearable po yung pain, you might wanna adjust your dosage or switch to a milder product po ni For Life. If you are taking medications, no, blood pressure maintenance or blood sugar maintenance, pwede mo pong isabay si transfer factor. But of course, you need to consult also, no, kasi pag nag-improve po ang inyong condition, then the doctor may adjust or lower the maintenance medication, or possibly sila na po ang magtanggal niyan. Okay? The only people na hindi po natin na-recommend na gumamit ay yung mga tao pong na organ transplant na. Pero kung kayo po ay natanggalan ng organ naman in the past, pwede pa rin po kayong gumamit ng ating produkto. Or kung kayo po ay may implants, no, dahil iba po ang implant sa transplant, pwede ka pa rin pong gumamit ng ating produkto. Okay? So that's all for our product presentation. And thank you very much. I hope you learned something new. And of course, I would like to say hi sa mga nandito po sa ating Zoom presentation. I just wanna greet, saan na ba yung? Ba't nawala yung part A? Just wanna say hi to our team action. No, we have Sinaida Portugues, Ma'am Jewel Renegado. Okay, and wait lang. Next is Ma'am Karina Mangawang, Miss Analu Capre. Okay, and Ma'am Doreen Habines. Hi, Ma'am. Nice seeing you here a few days ago. Next is Miss Edna Andaya, Miss Edna Miranda, Sir Eric Castaneda, Miss Jen Alyares, Ma'am Juliet Kaande, Ma'am Lenibet Asenjo, Ma'am Lilibet Cañas, Ma'am Liza, and of course, Ma'am Marichu, Ma'am Neth Arseno, Ma'am Rebecca Belen, Ma'am Rosan Gonzalez, and of course, Miss Rosita Fontanares, Ma'am Wilma Montañez, and kakapasok lang si Sir Francis Fotokot naman. Okay? Baka po meron kayong question, no? Please feel free to type in your questions below so we can answer. Opo. And meanwhile, on Facebook Live, I wanna say hi to our 15 participants. We have Miss Arlene Feliciano, Ma'am Josefina Kiambao, Si Sir Eugene Baital is also at Facebook Live. Ma'am Ellie De Los Reyes, Ma'am Elisa Calma, Ma'am Lisa Mugatas, Ma'am Feli Benitez, Ma'am Tita Bauson, si Miss Mercy Reyes also, from Ma'am Rosana Axon, Sir Eric Punsalan, and Ma'am Fatima Cabot, no? Finally, meron tayong Cotabato represent. Oo, baka busy sila, may mga roadshow. May roadshow nga, no, Ma'am Fatima, may mga activities kayo dyan today. Kaya wala rin sila Ma'am Jeje. Okay, si Ma'am Chrisnaline Akaya is also here watching from Bukidnon. Ayan. And Ma'am Lilibeth Layman, Ma'am Juliet Kaande, Ma'am Olga Dita, Ma'am si Sir Ona Hugo is also on Facebook Live. Okay, baka naman may question tayo dyan. Or baka naman may testimonial. Sir Francis, parang parang meron na tayo before, last week. Okay, so ito, we have some question here, no? Si Sir Eric Castañeda, ang tanong niya is, are the capsules cold pressed or warm pressed? Tanong ng isang prospect. Okay, so this is the first time na na-encounter ko tong question na to, no? I'm not entirely sure no about the pressing, kung cold press ba siya or warm press. But as far as I can tell, yung ating encapsulating machines po no are in a sterile environment, and of course meron siyang proper temperature controlled environment para po maiwasan no yung ma-compromise yung ating pong produkto. So subjecting no the capsules to intense heat might reduce the potency no ng transfer factor. So I believe it will not be a warm pressed facility or machine. But for cold pressed, I'm not entirely sure about the other one. Okay? But rest assured that yung facility no yung machine no that we are using for encapsulating the products can really uh, can really make thousands of capsules in a single minute. And hindi lang siya isang machine. Actually, the last, as far as I can remember, I think they have 4 or maybe 6 no na encapsulating machines. I'm not sure ngayon kasi they just announced that they had expanded their operations. Pero around 4 to 6 encapsulating machines po ang meron tayo before. Okay? So, sige Sir Francis, tatawagin kita in a short while. But meanwhile, may tanong po dito, no? Ano po product ang maganda for stage 3 colon cancer, 26 years old, due for operation this November? Okay, so medyo meron tayong hinahabol na timeline. So I believe no, and of course since this is an advanced stage of cancer. So I will go for 5 capsules 3 times a day of TF plus, 3 capsules 3 times a day of glutamine prime, 60 ml 3 times a day of Riovida, and probably 2 capsules 3 times a day ng Renuvo. Yun pa yung masasuggest ko. Or kung ayaw nyo ng Renuvo, pwede din naman po yung prebiotics 1 sachet a day. Okay? So yeah. Any questions from our participants for today? Wala. Masyado mabait. But by the way, no, plug ko lang ulit. So, we have our Tuesday presentation sa For Life Manila office. Mabubuhay na po siya ulit, so we can invite guests dito po sa Manila so they can listen. Every Tuesday na po yun, no? 2:00 po ng hapon. So para po ito, hindi lang, although ako po yung main anchor, but we will be shuffling, no? Magkakaiba po ang speakers every week. Si Sir Eugene, si Ma'am Tessa, and of course si Miss Nicolay ang magsasalit-salitan po, no? Kaming apat actually sa Transfer Factor Tuesdays. Okay, so next, meron daw siyang case, no, ng prostate problem. Mataas ang PSA reading, no? 8. Okay? Wait lang. For this one po, maganda ang Male Pro and of course TF+. Okay, so optional third product will be Glutamine Prime. Okay. So yeah. Any other question? Sige, habang nag-iipon tayo ng question from both Zoom and Facebook Live. For the meantime, I would like to call our product sharer po muna this afternoon. No? So please help me welcome one of our presidential affiliates, no, live po from Tagbilaran City, Bohol. No other than Sir Francis Hotopon. Hi sir, welcome back.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at worldwide. Dito po kami ngayon sa Bohol, sa M. Lolier, nag-Zoom. No? Share ko lang po, meron kaming new case kahapon lang po na bata, 3 years old, nag-foot and mouth disease. Senior ko po sa Sir Jan yung picture. No, nakainom lang siya ng cis capsule. Natuyo na agad yung ano niya, yung parang sugat-sugat niya sa paa at sa kamay, no? So, yun po, grabe ang effect niya. Just imagine, nasa 6 capsule lang na inom niya na products, Stay Pure. So, Trifactor Formula, yun ang product yan, oh. Yan po, yan ang picture, Sir Jan. Makikita niya, yan ang picture niya. In just 2 days lang po yan, gumaling, no? Natuyo, bigla, no? Sa ano yan nangyari sa Katigbian. Yan po ang testimony ngayon, no? Usong-uso po ngayon yan dahil sa pabagong panahon, mga for lifers sa buong Pilipinas, pwede natin ma-share. Yan po yung paa niya, nakita nyo sa screen. At tuyo, ang bilis. Just 2 days lang po yan, nag-inom ng product natin sa For Life Trifactor Formula. No?
PF Pure lang sir, ilang capsule lang ininom?
Ano lang yan, bale sir, 6 lang na piraso. Nagminudo lang siya kasi wala nga pambili daw eh. Sabi niya, nag-try lang siya ng 6 capsule. Pero user sila ng For Life, mag-promote na yung papa niya. Yung papa niya kasi meron siyang parang mga customer din na nagpapagamot. Kaya yung lolo niya, kaya yun. Dami na natulungan namin sir sa papa niya mismo na ano, yung dibdib niya, mahirap siyang huminga. Binigyan ng cardio. Okay, pati yung mama niya, yung mga customer niya, yung mga dami na testimony talaga sa Bohol ng mga bagong testimony ngayon. No, kanina kausap kami kanina, yung ano, yung bata bagong panganak daw, yung puso niya, yung nagkamali ng pagputol sa ano, sa nurse. Binudburan lang ng isang capsule ng ano, pure, at saka pinainom sa gatas. Bagong panganak ha, 1 day old, 2 day old lang. Sa puso niya, natuyo agad. So, grabe ang testimony talaga ng product. No? Ang latest, yun ang malitis natin ngayon dito, so far. So, marami pa mga sharing natin sa product. Sa product, wala na tayong sa mga baguhan dito, wala na tayong pag-usapan about the products. Talagang effective po siya. Kaya mag-try na po kayo, subukan nyo na inumin yung product natin at siya na po magsasalita. So, magandang hapon. Thank you po sa lahat. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Thank you Sir Francis for that. And Yeah. No, nakakatuwa no kasi sinesend na lang nila sa akin sa Messenger yung picture. Sinishare ko na lang po sa screen. So you can do that as well no, if you have your testimonials. Na. Okay, so moving forward, we have Ma'am Sinaida Portugues. Ang question niya po is, ano po ang dapat inumin ng na-stroke? Naapektuhan ng half body, hindi nakakalakad, tapos hindi makarinig at nauutal. Okay? So for this one, syempre we need to address muna no, yung possible blood clot. And ito, blockage doon sa mga ugat no, which causes yung paralysis po, especially sa half body. No? So kung half body ang tinamaan ng paralysis, most likely ang blockage happened somewhere sa right side ng brain natin. Okay, so for this one, bagay po sa inyo ang cardio, bagay din po ang bio-EFA, and of course ang ating Reuvida juice. Okay, so yun po muna ang ating unahin, yung tatlo, since cerebrovascular yung ating concern, no? Yung recall, maybe to follow na lang, pero unahin muna natin maklear yung bara doon sa kanya pong mga ugat. Okay? Next, si Ma'am Victoria Flores. Sabi niya, may apo po ako na 8 months. Nagka-foot and mouth disease din last month. TF Pure ang binigay ko and mabilis na tuyo ang sugat. Okay? So, yan, nagiging common si foot and mouth disease ulit. No? Bakit kaya? So, we need to be extra careful. Dapat meron tayong transfer factor na baon palagi. So, kagaya na, no? 6 capsules lang. Tingi, no? Yung minudo po is tingi sa Bisaya. Okay? Dahil yun lang po ang afford. Pero, look at the improvements, no? Na wala din po kaagad yung sugat. Same with the case dun po sa apo ni Ma'am Victoria Flores. So, thank you for sharing. Ayan. And next, baka may iba pa mang mo share, no? Welcome na welcome po kayo. Ang baby ngayon, naka-TF Pure na 1 capsule every day. That's good. Ang bata, by the way, no, share ko lang, ang bata po na nakapag transfer factor on a regular basis, mas matalino, mas bibo sila, and hindi po sila basta-basta nagkakasakit. Ha? So, may mga tinatawag tayong TFBB. So, yun po yung mga batang buntis pa lang nga yung nanay or maybe at a very young age, take na po sila ng transfer factor. Okay? So, yeah, I believe that's all for our Q&A. Walang masyadong question ngayon. And by the way, no, so para po sa mga nakamiss ng ating pong product presentation for today. So again, after we end the Zoom call, yung ating replay sa Facebook Live will be available for a couple of days. Pwede niyo po yan ma-rewatch, pwede niyo pong ma-share sa inyong mga kaibigan. You can tag them also dun sa ating Facebook replay para po mapanood nila no, kung hindi sila available sa time slot nito or nasa ibang time zone po sila. Na at least they have something to review later on. And again, please no, support our Transfer Factor Tuesday. That will be an in-depth product presentation. So medyo nakakram na nga ako kasi I'm expanding no the product presentation. What you had attended no earlier, yun yung same material pero we will expand it kasi we are talking more deep no, about transfer factor and its effects on the immune system. So yan po ay naka-reserve para po sa Tuesday na event. Okay, so mas nahihimayin natin yan doon and you can throw in your questions and you can volunteer no, for testimonials. Kahit marami kayong testimonial, sige, tawagin natin para ma-overwhelm, no, yung mga clients, mga first-time listeners sa presentation. By the way, no, so may mga tatanong din po pala sa akin kung i-zoom po ba yung Transfer Factor Tuesday, no. So I have yet to announce kasi hindi ko po alam kung paano siya i-set up doon sa training room kasi yung cabling, yung mga cables doon, uh, training and business development lang po ang nakakaalam pa so far. So I will ask for help and I will advise you po, no. I will make an announcement kung magkakaroon po tayo ng live streaming no ating Transfer Factor Tuesdays. Okay? So may pahabol, okay? Na question, wait lang, sige, entertain na natin. Sabi niya, Sir John, may client pala ako na may autism ang baby niya. Nag-take na ng TF Pure. Ano ang best dosage as maintenance? 1 capsule a day is enough. 3 years old lang naman po eh. Opo. Kung ayaw niyo ng TF Pure, pwede din naman po yung Rio Vida juice, no, or yung Burst. Yung Burst naman is just 1 sachet a day, no? Pwede na po yun. Or kalahati. Kaso kasi masarap ang Rio Vida eh, no? So, pwede ng isang inuman yung isang serving. Huwag niyo nang hatiin. Okay, lastly, may pahabol po ulit. May problema sa dugo, may imbalance. Basta problema po sa dugo, maganda po ang cardio dyan, number 1. And number 2, pwede po kayo mag-Rio Vida no, or TF Pure. Okay, so yan yung best product combination ko usually pag dugo ang problema, no? Or circulatory, cardiovascular, cerebrovascular, pure cardio and Rio Vida. Kung walang Rio Vida, cardio and TF Pure. Okay? Ayun nga eh, sana po naka-Zoom. I will let you know. Kasi baka kung sakali mang i-Zoom natin, baka makikigamit tayo sa corporate or I'm not sure. Stay tuned for announcements. Okay, so again, I will be ending this Zoom presentation. Thank you very much for attending. And I hope to see you sa ating mga road shows, especially next month. Sunod, aalis na po ako ulit. I will be doing a series of roadshow in Mindanao. So I hope to see you there also. And of course, please support our face-to-face presentations in the office. Okay? That will be all. And have a blessed Sunday, everyone. And continue taking Transfer Factor. And don't forget to share it to the world. All right? So this is me, John, signing off. And take care, everyone. Nice seeing you virtually. And see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.